Have you ever understood everything in an English video, but when someone asks you a simple question, your mind suddenly goes blank? And in that moment, you know the answer, but your voice just doesn't come out. Not because you don't understand, but because you are afraid. Afraid of making a mistake. Afraid of sounding wrong. Afraid that people might judge you. So you stay quiet. And later you think, I knew that. Why didn't I speak? If that has ever happened to you, then stay with me, because today we are going to break that pattern. Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Fluent Core English. I'm Gwen, and today is not just another video. This is a video where you actually speak. So don't skip this, because the next few minutes can start changing how you speak English. Now I know something. Right now you might feel a little uncomfortable. Speaking out loud, alone, can feel strange. You might even think, what if I sound silly? That feeling is normal. Every confident speaker felt this in the beginning. So let's make this simple. We are not here to be perfect. We are here to start. Take a small breath, relax your shoulders, and stay with me, because this small step is where confidence begins. Now listen carefully. This is important. Speaking English is not only in your mind, it is also in your mouth. If your mouth is not trained, your brain will always choose silence. And that is why so many learners understand English but still cannot speak. But today, we are going to change that, together. So here is your first rule. Don't stay silent. Speak with me, out loud, not in your head, not later, right now. Yes, even if your voice feels weak, even if you feel unsure, because something powerful happens when you use your voice. Your brain starts learning faster, your confidence starts growing, and your fear starts getting smaller. Stay with me, because the next sentence is very important. Most learners skip this, and that is why they don't improve. This is day 1 of your 30-day speaking journey, and if you stay consistent, you will not be the same speaker. Now we will use a simple method. It is called shadowing. But don't worry about the name. Focus on the result. If you do this daily, your speaking will start becoming natural. Here is how it works. I say the sentence. Then I pause. That pause is your moment. You speak. And don't rush. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to speak clearly. Ready? Let's begin. Sentence 1. I am ready to speak English. Now slowly. I am ready to speak English. Good. Say it again, with a little confidence. I am ready to speak English. Nice. Feel that? Your voice is starting to wake up. Stay with me, because the next sentence is something many learners struggle with. Sentence 2. I speak even when I feel nervous. Now slowly. I speak even when I feel nervous. Good. And listen carefully. This sentence is powerful because most people wait to feel confident before they speak. But real speakers speak even when they feel nervous. So say it again, clearly. I speak even when I feel nervous. Excellent. Don't skip this next one. This is where many learners stop. Sentence 3. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Now slowly. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Very good. Remember this. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Stay with me. We are building something important. Sentence 4. I try again when I make a mistake. Now slowly. I try again when I make a mistake. Good. This is how real improvement happens. Not one time, but again and again. Say it one more time, naturally. I try again when I make a mistake. Excellent work. Stay focused, because the next sentence changes your mindset. Sentence 5. I speak a little better every day. Now slowly. I speak a little better every day. Great job. And notice something. You are already speaking more clearly. This is how confidence grows. Not suddenly, but step by step. How about you? Did you relax? Or were you busy? Now slowly. How about you? Did you relax? Or were you busy? Good. This is a real conversation, the kind that happens every week. And now, you are ready for it. Stay with me, because now we move into a real situation. Imagine this. It's Monday morning. You walk into work. Someone comes up to you and starts a conversation. This time, you are not silent. You speak. Say these sentences like it is real. Sentence 11. Good morning. How's everything going today? Slowly. Good morning. How's everything going today? Say it again, naturally. Good morning. How's everything going today? Nice. That sounded warm and confident. Sentence 12. I was working on a report yesterday. Slowly. I was working on a report yesterday. Say it again, clearly. I was working on a report yesterday. Good. Stay focused. This next one is very useful. Sentence 13. I'm almost finished, but I need to check a few details. Slowly. I'm almost finished, but I need to check a few details. Say it again with confidence. I'm almost finished, but I need to check a few details. Excellent. Sentence 14. Could we discuss it later this afternoon? Slowly. Could we discuss it later this afternoon? Say it again, naturally. Could we discuss it later this afternoon? Perfect. Notice this. You just completed a full conversation, a greeting, an update, your progress, and a next step. That is real English. Stay with me, because now we go faster. This is the fluency round. No stopping, just flow. Sentence 15. I'm working on it right now. Slowly. I'm working on it right now. Sentence 16. Let me get back to you later. Slowly. Let me get back to you later. Sentence 17. That makes sense to me. Slowly. That makes sense to me. Sentence 18. I completely agree with you. Slowly. I completely agree with you. Sentence 19. I'll take care of it. Slowly. I'll take care of it. Sentence 20. Just give me a moment to check. Slowly. Just give me a moment to check. Great. Now say them again a little faster. I'm working on it right now. Let me get back to you later. That makes sense to me. I completely agree with you. I'll take care of it. Just give me a moment to check. Nice. That felt smoother, right? That is fluency. Now stop for a second and think. You didn't just watch. You spoke. You used your voice. You practiced real English. That is real progress. If you completed this practice, go to the comments and write, Day 1, done, not for me, for you. And if you want to speak English confidently, don't stop here. Practice again. Come back tomorrow. Subscribe to Fluent Core English and build your speaking habit with me. Because fluency doesn't come from watching, it comes from speaking. I'll see you in the next video.